What's the meaning of ate? Ate? Ate?
Ate. Ate. Ate is the past tense of the verb eat, which means to consume food or drink by putting it in one's mouth, chewing and swallowing it. When someone ate something, they have already ingested it and it is no longer present in its original form. The process of eating provides the body with nutrients that it needs for energy and growth. Overeating can lead to health problems such as obesity, while inadequate consumption of food can cause malnutrition. Therefore, it is important to eat a balanced and healthy diet to maintain good health.